Welcome back to Express.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our new door and drawer front configurator. Let's get started. So as you see here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down on the left hand side and go to where it says custom doors and drawer fronts and give that a push. Now you're at the beginning of our configurator. You're going to click on this little icon, but be sure to read all this valuable information because it will make life much easier. Now as you see, we have three different options: molding only, drawer front, or door. For this video, I will be just walking you through the door. Now you will have three more options. You will have melamine, polyester wrapped, or 3DL thermofoil. We have all the information listed up here about what the difference is between each, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Now we're gonna just go ahead and pick 5-piece polyester, and now we have two options. Now they have the transitional, and we have the classic style. We are gonna click classic. Okay, now you have the option of getting just a regular door or one with glass. As you see here, you can get frame with glass insert, which means you'll just get the outside frame with glass inserted in the middle. We're just going to pick the standard door as you see here. Now it is time to input the width and length of the door that you would like to order. The width will be the measurement from left to right of your door, and the length will be the height of your door, so that would be from top to bottom. Special note is that the length is going to be the way the grain of the wood will go as well. There we go, we input our measurements and we are ready to click this button right here and continue. And now you will have the option of what color you would like your new door. As you see, there is a magnifying glass here. You can click on that, give you a nicer picture of what you're looking for. And I do like summer flames, so we are gonna go ahead and add that one. Okay, so now we are at the hinge pre-drilling part of our configurator, and as you see, it is optional. You do not have to get a hinge hole put in, but be sure to read up all about everything here and watch this video because it will answer any and all questions that you may have about this part of the configurator. And now we are at the hinge tab distance part of the configurator. If you have no idea what this is, do not worry. Check out the video right there. It will explain exactly what the hinge tab distance is, and click right here to download a PDF. Look at that. This PDF is a ruler, which is pretty awesome. It prints out the exact size for millimeters because all of the hinge tab distance is in millimeters. So therefore, this ruler, you will print it, cut it, and you will be able to measure your own tab distance like a pro. Now, after watching the video and downloading our free ruler, you should be a pro at measuring your tab distance, and we're gonna just say ours is 4 millimeter. Okay, so now we're at custom notes. If you have any, leave those here. Special instructions, this is where you would put it. Someone will read it, and you're ready to go. So let's hit continue. Okay, double check all your measurements. Now you can add a PO number if you'd like to this order, or you can even update the quantity. So let's say you have like 2 of these doors, 10 of these doors. There you go. Update the quantity to 10 and now add the configuration to your cart. And just like that, those 10 doors are now in your cart. Now, if you have other size doors that you would like, simply click here to configure your next item. Make sure you click that. You'll be brought right back to the configurator, and the best part is the configurator is still loaded with all the same color, tab distance, all the details that you did originally, but now you just want to add a different size door. Just simply go to dimensions, click on that, it'll drop it down, and now you can change the door to your new size that you're looking for. And there you go, now our new door is going to be 11 7/8 by 23 7/8. Click continue. You will be automatically brought down to add the configurator to cart, and now you can enter your quantity or PO number. We're gonna do 2, and now we are gonna add those to the cart. All right, as you see here, we now have our 10 doors and our 2 new doors that we just added. Now, if you want to order more doors, simply click here to configure your next item, or if you're looking for drawer fronts, not a problem. What you do is you'll go back to the configurator and just go over here where it says reset configurator. Don't forget your color is the main thing, and your style if you want them all to match. Reset the configurator, you bet I'm sure. And now I can just simply scroll down, click on drawer front, and start on over just like I ordered the door. Do the same for the drawer, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Until next time, we'll see you later.